Hi, I'm Jen from the Jersey Beauty Company and this is Victoria from Dermalogica, and we're here to chat about some of the Dermalogica cleanser and moisturiser combinations. So when Dermalogica create their cleansers and moisturisers, there are three key areas of the skin that they focus on. So that's the lipid barrier, hydration and the skin's microbiome.
Yep.
And I know that all of the cleansers and toners focus on maintaining these three key areas, but each combination has a slightly different focus.
Yeah.
So I thought it'd be really helpful if we chatted through some of the different combinations and which focus of skin is the primary focus for that combination, and what skin type that might suit best.
Definitely.
So I just mentioned about Dermalogica focusing on the lipid barrier, hydration and the skin's microbiome. So let's start with the lipid barrier. What is our skin's lipid barrier?
Yeah. So when it comes to looking at the skin as a defence organ, we often use the analogy of a brick wall. So if you imagine a brick wall, your bricks are your skin cells, and then you have a cement or mortar that's kind of holding those bricks together. The cement is your lipid barrier. That's different to producing oil, which is known as sebum. That's something different. That's another kind of lipid or oil that's produced onto the skin. So the lipid barrier is there to, if you like, waterproof the skin. It stops irritants coming into the skin, and it also holds moisture in. So if we break down that lipid barrier or cement, it's almost like we're starting to chip away at our brick wall, which is crumbling, it's not as defensive. So the lipid barrier is important for all skins, but it's more important for dry skins because naturally you're not producing as much of those natural barrier lipids if you're genetically dry, and you'll find that as you get older that becomes more of an issue.
Okay, so which cleanser moisturiser combination from Dermalogica has the maintaining the lipid barrier as their main primary focus?
Yeah, that's our intensive moisture cleanser and intensive moisture balance.
Okay.
So these two focus, as you say, on restoring the lipid barrier. So if your skin is dry and depleted, then it will focus on that with our Bio-Replenish complex. So these are more richer emollient types of products, rich creamy cleanser and an ultra rich but non-greasy moisturiser to really fortify that lipid barrier. But also we have a little bit of hydration in there and a little bit of microbiome stabilising in there as well.
So if your primary concern is slightly drier skin, have a go with the intensive moisture cleanser and moisture balance.
Yes.
Great. So one of the other key factors we talked about was hydration. So why is hydration of the skin so important?
So when we talk about hydration, we're talking about the moisture, or if you like, water content. So not oil, but water. So again, within that brick wall analogy, naturally our skin, as we are producing skin cells in the process of our epidermal cell turnover, we're producing natural moisture, known as the natural moisturising factor. And if our lipid barrier is in place, then that hydration is kind of sandwiched and held within the skin. Hydration is critical for skin function. If you don't have enough hydration, your skin cell turnover doesn't really function as effectively. Your skin is dehydrated, we get flakiness, tightness on the skin. So hydration is critical for healthy skin function, definitely.
Okay, so if you are looking for hydration as your primary focus, which combination should we go for?
Special cleansing gel and skin smoothing cream.
Some of the heroes.
Yeah, absolutely. So suitable for all skins and skins that suffer with dehydration. And to be honest with you, even if you drink 2 litres of water a day and you're getting good internal hydration, the elements, air conditioning, weather, climate, so much in our environment dehydrates the skin and kind of pulls the moisture from the skin. So we want to supplement. Special cleansing gel is a great all-round face wash, but it's pH balanced so it doesn't strip the skin of that moisture. And then skin smoothing cream has your 48 hours of continuous hydration with our HydroMesh technology to really hold in that moisture to help prevent that dehydration throughout the day.
So we mentioned maintaining the skin's microbiome as another one of the primary focus. What is our skin's microbiome?
Yeah, a lot more understanding of the skin's microbiome has come about over recent years. So your microbiome is your ecosystem of microorganisms, bacteria that live all over our bodies and inside our bodies. From a skin point of view, if your microbiome is out of balance, which means that you have, if you like, the bad bacteria kind of overrunning, that can cause things like breakouts, but it can also cause dryness. So we have a good bacteria called Staphylococcus epidermidis, and this good bacteria, if it's flourishing, can help balance the levels of good and bad. And it's critical for maintaining the skin's pH, skin cell turnover, and just general healthy functioning of the skin. So we have microbiome technology in all of our cleansers and moisturisers, so that we're encouraging that right balance of good and bad.
But this combination, it's the primary focus. Which is the brand new Active Clay Cleanser that is replacing Dermal Clay Cleanser. And Active Moist. Do you want to just tell us a little bit about those?
Yeah, definitely. So our new Active Clay Cleanser is powered by prebiotic technology to help balance oily skin. A lot of the time when we have oily skin, we're stripping and drying it. So we're depleting the lipid barrier, we're losing hydration. That in turn can cause the skin to become out of balance from a microbiome point of view. We end up producing more oil, we get the flourishing of bad bacteria, so that encourages breakouts. So for oily skin, we're focusing a little bit more on that microbiome to make sure that it is balanced and stable. But with the new cleanser, we've got clay, charcoal to obviously deep clean and purify, but we're also supporting with botanical lipids and hydration. It doesn't strip or dry. And then with our Active Moist, this is a favourite for oily skin. It's lightweight, it's oil-free, and soon will also be powered by those prebiotics as well. So you'll see that starting to phase in very soon.
Sounds exciting. I think you'll agree that finding the right cleanser moisturiser combination for your skin can be key to transforming your skin. So if you would like to try any of these, head over to Jersey Beauty. Hopefully this has been helpful in explaining the primary focus of each of these combinations. You don't have to stick to these combinations. You can tailor it to whatever you would like, but these are a good starting place if you want to find a good combination for your skin. They're all available at Jersey Beauty, and they're available in sample size as well.